Hello everyone. In this video, we will dive into Mobile App Accelerator. This latest release features an upgraded React.js tech stack, enhancing security and aligning with overall Agile Point NX platform style. This is the login page. I click sign in. This is the new home page. Let's quickly do default app settings. Default app settings is mandatory, otherwise you will not be able to create any new apps. So this is the company details. We have added EULA as part of this release. We have added support for few more authentication type as part of this release. You can select and make the necessary configuration. The same thing will be reflected for new apps. App list, we have retained the same thing. You can import from your tenant. Menu option. In this, we have provided option to translate. You can select the corresponding language and make the necessary translations and save it. The same thing will be reflected when you use the app. So moving on to styling. Styling, we have 5 redefined styles. You can even select your custom style. You can provide the hex or you can change the color as per your need, and the same thing will be reflected in the app. So this is about styling. Upload images. Here you need to update the logos and image as per the dimension that is specified. This is for Android, this is for iOS. And coming to notification list, this is the email list who will be notified when the mobile app build is ready. So this is about default app settings. I click save. Successfully saved. So let me go to home page again. In home page you have an option to add app, or you can even click add app here and you will be taken to add an app experience. My apps, this will list all the apps. Let me click, let's see. Here you can see the apps that are in your tenant. Let me go back to home page. Archived apps. The apps which are in archive is also shown. In case you need to restore, you can do it. Reports. You can see the report of the apps here. Successful builds. How many build is successful? Failed build, if any, it will be shown here. Let's quickly edit one of the app. This is the apps details page where you will be seeing all the details about the app. Here you will be able to see all the details. I quickly edit. Here you have to provide the basic setting details. I have already provided, so I say next. Authentication, whichever the app need to support, I have selected. I say next. App filter, you can show all the apps, or you can even select whichever you need and you can process. For this demo I have selected show all apps and I say next. In case you want to do in-app translations, you can select the corresponding language and you can make the necessary changes and you can save it. For the menu options, I say next. As you guys know, we provide support for Android and iOS. For this demo, I have selected it as Android and I am using it as MDM build and I say next. The default app settings, whatever we have selected is already reflecting. You can select any and you can change at app level or you can retain the same. I say next. In case you want to change any of the images or logo just for an application, you can change it over here and the same thing will be reflected in your app. So I say next. This is about notification. Who has to be intimated once the build is ready? So provide the email ID and you can save as draft or build. I click on build. The success notification is shown and the request is in queue. Once it picks up, it will be in progress. Once it is ready, it will be available for download. So let me quickly show other app version. Here you can download the build. The corresponding Android build will be downloaded. You can install it on your Android device and test it. So this is about mobile app Accelerator. Thanks a lot for your time.